Hey there YouTube fans, AC Productions here, and today we'll be doing an unboxing of the Denali DM LED lights. If you saw my other video on how to install the other Denali lights, those were a little bit bigger. These are a lot smaller. Now those ones I installed because on my headlights I don't have the normal headlights, so I have the headlights in the bottom on my R3, but on your R3 you probably still have the regular headlights and you just want it for extra lighting, which was at the bottom of the headlight. Now I did get a lot of comments about those kind of headlights. A lot of them were good, a lot of them were bad, and a lot of them were in the middle. So I decided to get these lights. Now these lights are a lot smaller than those other ones, and I'll show you a comparison in a second. But the installation for these lights are going to be on the fender. Now here's a picture of how that's going to look like. This is how they look like on the fender. Now these are going to be a little bit more easier to install compared to the other way I showed you in the other video. But yet they'll still give you that light output for extra lighting when you're out on riding and you happen to hit a dark area. So let's go ahead and open up the package and let's see what's inside. Alright, let's go ahead and open up this and see how the lights inside look. Put this off to the side. Alright, so inside the package you're going to get some it seems to be maybe some bar mounts or whatnot that you could attach these to. And then also you're going to get the lenses. Now this one does come with two different style lenses. And let me show you right here. It comes in this like little baggie. And I think actually this only comes with one different style lens, because I don't see the other style. Like the other one, it had a few different styles plus yellow. This one is just one style, so it looks like it'll just give you probably the flood look if you don't just stick with the original. The original that's in here is just a clear lens, so it's going to give you the most light output. This one has little lines. You can't see it really close, but I'll show you a close-up right now. Here's how it looks like up close with the little lines on the lenses. So this will, disperse the light out a little bit and not give you the full spotlight. Alright, so here is a picture of the lights showing with these lenses. So I guess it's just these two lenses that give you three different lighting options. Now if you were to leave them as it is clear, you'll get the spot look, as you can see here at the top. If you were to put one of these lenses in and keep the other one at a clear lens, you'll get a hybrid, so you'll have it between a spot and a flood look. And then if you put both of these lenses in, you'll get a flood look. So the distance of the light beam won't be as far, so it'll be more of a concentrated kind of light in front of you. For me personally, I'm just going to leave it clear. I may just experiment in putting these lenses in just to see in real life to see how the light looks. But I think I'm just going to stick with the spot look, because I want to make sure I get the most distance of these lights. Alright, so inside here you're going to see, just like in the other one, the gigantic wiring harness. Also you got your switch over here. So everything pretty much like the other one is the same. If you haven't looked at that video and this is the first time you're seeing this one, this is pretty much the whole wiring harness that would come with these style of lights. I'm going to get these out of here and put this off to the side for now. So you're going to see that it does come with a whole thing, and it also has a fuse here, so you don't have to worry about blowing out any of the lights. So, alright, and they are pretty heavy actually. They do got some weight to it. And honestly guys, these look like mini flashlights really. Actually I have a flashlight right here to show you. This is just a small little pocket flashlight, and just by the looks of it, if you guys could see it, it's not that much more bigger than this little flashlight. But I would say that the inside of this flashlight, the little LED that's inside it, it's pretty much the same. Just on the flashlight it's a circle, and on this one it's a little tiny square. But the little tiny LED that's in there, it's really small. So I'm really curious to see if these perform just as good as the bigger ones that I got, the 2-inch ones. I think these are 1.5 or 1 inch. I would say probably 1 inch in diameter. It looks like 1 inch diameter for this one, but I just want to show you kind of a comparison from a little small flashlight. The construction is really good, just like the Denali other ones that I have. I don't expect anything less from it, but the output of the other ones are really good. So that's why I decided to get some small ones. And like I said, these are going to go on the side part of the fender, and it's going to give me some additional lighting when I do hit dark areas, and which I'm planning to ride. And also the switch over here, it is weatherproof and probably water resistant. I'm not sure if it's 100% waterproof, but I would say water resistance. I did get caught in the rain with my other ones, and it has the same type of switch, and switch did not get affected whatsoever. And it is a lit switch, so when the power is on, a little light will turn on, and then when you turn it off, the little light will turn off, letting you know that the lights are off. You got your standard positive and negative cable, and then you got your high beam if you wanted to attach to a high beam or a different output or source for power. Same with this one. It does come with a posi tap right here, so that makes the installation a little bit more easier. Let me show you a comparison compared to the ones I already have on the bike. Now here is a couple of pictures showing the size of the front, how they look, and then a comparison of the side view from the ones that I already have installed on the bike. So just to give you a little bit of contrast on how small or somewhat smaller these are from the ones I have on the bike. Alright, so that, like I said, this concludes the video of this particular unboxing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you haven't yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below. That way you guys are up to date with my latest video, and thank you for watching.